The old world of productivity is fading. Staring at a blank PowerPoint slide isn't just an inconvenience, it is a structural failure of your time. 11 seconds in, and we have achieved nothing. Enter Gamma. We are moving away from the static past and into the dynamic future. Efficiency begins with a single click. I input the prompt. Here, we define the parameters of our build. We select our objective. We aren't just making slides, we are generating impact. Notice the precision, and the engine immediately architects a logical outline. This is where most people get stuck, but here the hierarchy is generated for us. I can easily adjust the rows, add more cards, or refine the flow to my exact preference. We aren't just letting the machine think, we are directing it. Before the first slide is even born, we have total control over the structure and the theme. Everything is ready. With the blueprint finalized, we command the build. We are now processing raw data into professional visuals. Watch the transition. Observe the speed of construction. The engine is now active, turning our outline into structured pages in real time. It is sourcing imagery, balancing layouts, and ensuring every block serves a purpose. In the old world, this labor would take hours of manual alignment and design choices. Here we simply observe as the architecture manifests. Do not touch anything. Let the logic complete its cycle. This is the definition of high-utility AI, where the complex becomes effortless. All done, 10 beautiful, well-structured pages, finished before most people could even choose a font. But the build is never static. This is a living document. You can move blocks, swap styles, and refine the architecture however it pleases you. If a layout feels heavy, you lighten it. If an image needs more impact, you change it. It remains under your complete authority. This is the flexibility required for the modern world. Now we present. The transition from idea to execution is seamless. What was once a blank screen is now a high-level visual system ready for the world. Reclaim your time and master the tools of the future. Welcome to my library. Subscribe to stay ahead of the noise and start building your own reality. Let's get to work.